Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is officially Monday morning. The kids are off to school already. Husband had to work today. He went in for an extra shift because he's normally off on Mondays. But I am here at my computer. I don't know what I just did. But I'm here at my computer. I actually just rebooted it. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I was trying to open up your music app. I decided to come in here to this computer today opposed to working at my laptop because I just wanted to. I wanted a different atmosphere. I feel like I'm always in that room and that's all you guys see. So on today I'm be sitting here doing some things on this computer. Get my money out of it, I guess. Anyway, I'm actually going to go and make me a cup of coffee before I get started. I wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys. And hopefully you all like this setup better than me just being strictly in the room. But like I said, I need to do some things on the computer today. So that's why we're out here. I do need to do a little planning and organize as far as like meals, bills, and all that good old stuff. So I'm going to share a little bit of that with you all today. So let me go make my cup of coffee and I'll be back. You guys, I finally made me some coffee. I actually made me a breakfast sandwich. Ate that already. Drinking this coffee. It could use some more sugar, but I'm trying to slow down on the sugar intake. But since I have been not filming, I've actually been working on some things like I told you guys. So I am on this app on my MacBook, on my iMac, and it's called Numbers. You all should be familiar with what Numbers is. So I'm on Numbers, and with Numbers, hopefully y'all can see the app called Numbers. Let's see if I can turn it up just a little bit or down so you guys can see. But anyway, I'm on this app called Numbers, and you can do so many different things. Right now, I am working on a cleaning schedule for the kids and myself. I'm working on my bills, like organizing on, what type of bills I have, how much they are, when are they due, how am I paying for them, and what kind of income I have coming in. And then I have this meal planner. And then on the same thing, it shows you the grocery list that you can make for the meal planner. So I'm working on those three right now. Most importantly, my bills. Because if I had not already mentioned in one of my other, let me turn that around. In one of my other videos, I let you all know that as of November 5th was my last day on my job. There is a story time coming on that, but not right now. But yeah, I haven't been on a job, so I've been trying to organize all my bills, make sure that I don't fall behind, all of that good old stuff. So far, so good. I have my husband here for more support and help and financial support, so that's that. But story time on that coming really soon. But as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can bring y'all a little closer. So I still got the plastic on my computer. Don't judge me because my son be using it sometimes, even though I told him not to. But anyway, so I have this column here. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit for you guys. So as you can see, column 1 is rent, and then it's due on the 1st. Loan, you all don't need to know what type of loan, but it's a loan. It's due on the 9th of every month. Some of these bills I do have coming out, like auto billed, to where they come out automatically. The loan is actually one of the bills I have automatically coming out. Car insurance automatically comes out. Life insurance automatically comes out. What else? iTunes, Netflix, Hulu, which are some things I'm probably going to stray away from as of right now because I am unemployed. I don't need those necessities right now. Well, I don't need those right now. They're not necessities. So this is just like an overall breakdown of, bills. And then the amount, you guys don't need to know the amount. I am going to fill that in. The due date is here. And then I'm going to pick whether they are auto billed or not. And then if they're not auto billed, I'm going to, I forgot to add ComEd on here. I gotta put ComEd on here too. And if they're not auto billed, I'm going to indicate that. And if I'm using like my debit account to pay for those, because I have two debit cards. So that's that. And then, like I was explaining, this is the grocery one. It's like a meal planning. So There's 2 tabs on here. So it goes from Sunday to Saturday, excuse me, Sunday to Saturday, and then breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. I'm going to take all that out. I'm just going to put dinner for here. And then depending on what those items are, if I don't have them in the house, I will make a grocery list. This is just the dates. You can change that to whatever you like, but this is the shopping list. And then the cleaning schedule, it'll be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, when, you know, the rest of the week, the month of December. And then these are some of the things that I'm going to require for the kids to do. There's other things I have to add to this list, but that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm working on this. I got to do some calls and some emails right now. But besides that, I got to do some calls and some emails, and I'm going to get in and go ready and take a shower for the day. But I need to do this. I need to fold some laundry. So I got some things on the list, on the agenda for today as well. But this was important. I had to get this done out of the way. I know y'all tired of this scarf. Look at my edges. Skin is glowing though. Skin is glowing. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys. I'll see you guys a little later. I'm going to apply a facial mask before I get in the shower. Let it sit in while I take my shower. And today's face mask is this one right here. It's the Freeman Oil Absorbing Mint and Lemon Clay Mask. I love this one, and it's another one that I use. I probably used it on my channel before, but I normally get these from my local Walmart or Five Below. Always carry this brand for masks. It's actually pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna take this rubber spatula that I always use because I don't like getting my fingers dirty. I mean, even though it's probably easier to just take a whole glob of it and apply it on your face, but I'm going to. Oh, it's cold. You can smell the mint in it. I like how it feels. Get your face all tingly and cool. I'm looking at my mirror, sorry y'all. But I mainly like to do my cheeks, my chin, my forehead. I mean the whole face, I guess. My chin is like really where it's at. Do any of y'all have nose piercings? If so, comment down below. I just feel like my nose piercing is always, it's like on and off, almost like an ear piercing. I recently got my nose pierced and my ears pierced months ago. I'm talking about months ago, okay? And it feels like one moment it's healed, next moment it's back tender and hurting. Like I feel like it's never gonna completely heal. And they give you a time frame, but you already know that time frame it doesn't exist because it's like never ending. I don't like my mask too thick. I mean, enough to get the job done, I guess, but not too thick. Excuse my baby hairs. I'm gonna wash that while I'm in the shower too. And I try not to get so close to my eyes either because it tends to tingle a little bit. And I normally will do the mask first, and then I'll still go in after I take the mask off. I'll go in and do my cleansing of the skin again, and do like my toner and all my moisturizers and oils and all that good old jazz. But for the most part, this little $5 mask does the job. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna have to hop in the shower though. I forgot to do one thing on the computer before I got off, so I'm trying to remember to remind myself to do that when I get out, put a reminder on my phone. But this is she. I'm probably going to grease my hair a little later. I did oil my scalp with this oil right here. And I just feel like my hair ate this up. Like my scalp feels so dry. So I got this grease. Y'all remember back in the day we used to grease our scalp. I'm gonna try this grease today and I'm gonna let it sit throughout the week and I'm gonna see if it makes a difference on my braids. But that oil, very, very, very lightweight, and it's like bare minimum. I don't know. That's not for this type of protective style. So anyway, about to get in the shower. See you guys a little later. Fresh out the shower. I thought I would not be a bum today. So I'm gonna try to lay these baby hairs since I washed them. They nice and clean. They should lay down pretty good. Okay, baby hairs are done. I have to do a quick face routine. Y'all have seen it plenty of times. I'm still using the Ordinary products. See how I like them. I'm not sure as of yet. Like I said, I'm gonna use this for about a week or two to see how I'm feeling it, okay? I think we're going on week 2 of how I've been using these products, and this is just the toner that I'm using. A little bit goes a long way, to be very, very honest. But yeah, still using, excuse the junk back there. But anyway, that's that. Where's the rest? These are the other 3 products I've been using. These are right here. I actually put on clothes today. Lotion my body pretty good. I use some shea butter, coconut scent shea butter, African shea butter. Oh man, I waste oil on my shirt. Anyway, shea butter is bomb. Like the best thing you can ever use, especially in the wintertime, and especially if you have eczema. Like the best. I need to get my eyebrows arched. And I need to wax my chin. Alright, that's my quick. Oh wait, I need to put some SPF on. A little bit of SPF. Just got a SPF 15 in it. And this is just Olay moisturizer. Alright, I got one more thing to do on this computer, and then I can get to folding clothes. It's 1:27, the kids get out in about an hour. So I still think I'm doing pretty good. Trying to debate whether or not if I want to eat some lunch or just wait for dinner. I might end up just waiting for dinner because I'm too lazy to go make something. But anyway, let me head back to the computer to do some more work and get started on folding these clothes.